we have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. We got the holiday season coming up. So you might want to take a look around now and see what they have to offer. Because this might be up somebody's alley in your family. With hunting season coming around the corner and other stuff like that. This is going to be a good one, guys. Bada boom. Bada bing. 4K night vision. I feel like I'm in Call of Duty. I'm not sure where this is coming from. But it looks really nice. And like I said, I'll leave the links down below where you can purchase this. This has, let me zoom in. There we go. Starlight sensor, 8 times digital zoom. Night viewing is 300 meters, 4K video, 3.5-inch screen, waterproof, 7-gear infrared. Whoa. That's some military stuff right here. Okay, company name is going to be, it's e-commerce. CNE Connection. But like I said, I have it once I figure out through my emails.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, cancel. Sorry about that. I didn't even say her name. She just responds. Okay, warning. Press and hold the power on button and release until it's turned on. Okay. Fair enough. I think I can handle that. A little snippy this morning, evening, or whatever you guys are at. It is like 4 a.m. here. Ooh, you get a little tablecloth to wipe your screen. Get the manual. Okay. Ooh la la. I never had a pair of night vision goggles, so this will be my first set. I mean, I had the Call of Duty ones from like way back in the Xbox days, but nothing compared to this. And this looks already a lot better made than the one we got with the collector's edition, stuff like that. So definitely excited. Try this out. Still nighttime out, so it's like I said, 4 a.m. I got another hour or two for daylight, just in case we have an alien invasion or a zombie attack. You never know, especially at nighttime. They like to creep around corners, and now you can see them. We'll go outside and take a test. Got the strap, and test it out. There is a mounting bracket. You can have it mounted with the tripod, I believe. Yeah, because it doesn't come with one, but you can use it. Ooh. Look at the sunset, sunrise, sunset. Ooh. Oh. Super lightweight, so you can't even tell. It's like some old school binoculars with a new twist. I like that though. Oh, nice design. This must be the USB side. TF card slot. Oh, it does have a memory card in it. It's really nice. You could charge it right there. Reset key right there. Poke a hole in it. And then just, I think we, night vision. Oh, we gotta move. I think there's one on here. There's only that one. It's like 2 different lenses. Look at that. You can see the difference with that one. It's like darker. And this one. But there's no sticker. So we should be good to go. Here's a power button. The mode. Okay. IR sensitive leveled. Up down menu. I think we hold it like this. Hold on, let's make sure that I'm understanding this the right way. Card reader. Power button, few seconds. Lottie Dottie. Lee likes to party. We'll get this thing going. Oh, I'll figure out once I turn it on, I guess. It's the only way to figure out things. Ooh. Night vision. Yeah, we're definitely going outside. Let's see if I could turn back time. It's coming through. Yeah, we're gonna have to go outside. Or maybe not. I just gotta learn a few things. Oh, you can record also? Video? I'm just trying to get a little bit of focus going. See, I mean, you guys kind of could see the box. Yeah, we're definitely going outside right now. Alright guys, before we go outside, look at that. See, you can tell it's really clear. And that's on 2M. You just gotta hit the switch. And then mode. You can switch it. There we go. We're going outside. Alright guys, you can see the red light on. Or different color. And you have off. There's the on. Really cool. Here you go. You can see it in the tree. All the way up. But super nice, dude. Definitely check them out. You can zoom in, zoom out. Kind of spooky at nighttime. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Be safe.